So this Mother's Day, my siblings and I decided to make Mom breakfast in bed, because apparently, nothing says I love you like undercooked eggs and questionable toast. The plan was simple: wake up early, work as a team, and avoid burning down the house, a trifecta we clearly were not prepared for. Things started going south when my brother tried to freestyle the pancakes and ended up with something that looked like a failed science experiment. Then the smoke alarm went off, which startled our dog, who proceeded to knock over the orange juice onto the cat, who then launched herself onto the curtains. By the time Mom appeared, the fire department had arrived, our neighbors were gathered on the lawn in their pajamas, and our breakfast in bed had become brunch on the front lawn with half the neighborhood. Turns out, the only thing we managed to toast that morning was our reputation for kitchen disasters.